Alright, well it's time for day 2 of the LEGO City Advent Calendar. So, where's number 2? It's right over here. How convenient. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull that open. Try not to overdrive the mic as much tonight. Let's actually turn this down just a little. There we go. Alright. Oh. Well, that's a little disappointing. It's a little dude. I mean, I guess it's to be expected that some of these would be... I'm so sorry, headphone users. Oh, that's horrible. Oof. It's almost over. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Okay, there we go. We're just gonna make that go away over there. So it's... oh wow, it's not even a proper dude. He doesn't have legs. He doesn't have bendy legs. He just has straight legs. Okay, well, the little dude looks like he's wearing kind of a jacket of some sort there. He's super thrilled. Wow, that facial expression. Look at that. That's kind of creepy. Anyway, then he's got a toque, apparently. There we go. Or a beanie, depending on what country you're from. And then apparently he's hiding or holding a little money of some sort there. I'll make him hold 2 monies, even though it's an extra piece. So anyway, that's day 2. That was kind of a little disappointing, but hey, there's going to be some not so exciting figures in there. So yeah, that's day 2. And if you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting based on your watching habits. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar 2018 playlist, and right here is a link to Patreon that you can use to help support the other things that I do on the channel. This is pretty off topic, but it's fun anyway. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.